How to create a drawing in Photoshop in less than 2 minutes. Duplicate the background by clicking Command+J while having the background layer active. Rename the layer to Shadow and Highlight. Go to Image, Adjustments, Shadows and Highlights. Now drag the shadow slider to 100%. Press OK. Duplicate the layer Shadow and Highlights and rename the layer to Reduce Noise. Head to Filter, Noise, and Reduce Noise. Track the strength slider to 10. The Preserve Details, Reduce Color Noise and Sharpen Details slider to 0%. Press OK. Duplicate the layer, reduce noise and rename the layer to Film Grain. Head to Filter and open the Filter Gallery and choose Film Grain. Set the intensity to 6 and press OK. Go to Filter, Noise, Reduce Noise and use the same adjustments like before. Now, duplicate the layer Film Grain and rename the layer to High Pass. Go to Filter, Other High Pass. Always be super careful with the radius slider. It is very easy to mess up the overall look. In my case 1.9 worked just fine. Right-click on the High Pass layer and select Blending Mode, Overlay. Create a new layer and name the layer Highlight. Go to Edit, Fill. You will find a drop-down menu next to Contents. Choose 50% gray. Head to Blending Mode and choose Overlay. Use the Dodge tool to lighten some areas on the face. Set exposure to 23%. Draw on the areas in the face that should be highlighted. This effect works not even with your youth crush but also with every other image. Let's rock. Less than 2 minutes.